Imagine trying to mix oil and water. It's a disaster every time. But what if I told you there's a science-backed way to effortlessly separate them? This video covers that. A separation technique known as separating funnel. The separating funnel is used to separate a liquid-liquid mixture, specifically immiscible liquids. An immiscible liquid is one that does not mix, such as water and oil. Can you think of two more immiscible liquids besides oil and water? Drop your guesses in the comments. The technique utilizes the principles of gravity and density of substances to extract one liquid from another. Did you know that liquid mercury and water are also immiscible? Mercury is so dense that it sinks straight to the bottom, making it one of the most extreme examples of liquid separation. The separating funnel technique consists of a separating funnel, the immiscible liquid to be separated, and the beaker for collecting the liquid. The parts of the funnel include the stopper, separatory funnel, and the stopcock. To employ the separating funnel technique, begin by closing the stopcock of the funnel. What do you think happens if you forget to close the stopcock before adding the liquid? Comment your guess below. Carefully pour the immiscible liquid into the funnel and seal it with a stopper. Allow the fluid to settle. The denser liquid will gravitate to the bottom, while the less dense counterpart will remain atop. To effect separation, remove the stopper and open the stopcock. This allows the denser liquid at the bottom to flow out. Once the desired amount of the denser liquid is collected, immediately close the stopcock. Let's be honest, oil and water are the original drama queens of the liquid world. They can't even fake getting along. To recap, the separating funnel technique is a separation technique for separating immiscible liquids. By harnessing the principles of gravity and density, this method facilitates the extraction of one liquid from the other, contributing to the broader field of separation techniques. Now that you've mastered the art of separating immiscible liquids, get ready to take it to the next level. In the next video, we'll cover how to separate miscible liquids with fractional distillation.